How to create AI presentations using Gamma AI. First, open Google Chrome on your phone and go to gamma.app. Then sign in with your Google account or create a free account if you don't have one already. Once you're signed in, tap the Create New button on the home screen. Next, choose Generate or Create with AI, depending on the version of Gamma you're using. Enter a prompt describing the presentation you want. For example, you can type, create a 10-slide presentation about artificial intelligence for beginners. After that, tap Generate. Gamma AI will automatically create a complete presentation with slide titles, content, and images in just a few moments. Review each slide and edit the text, images, or theme if you want to customize the presentation. You can also add new slides or change the layout using the built-in editing tools. Once you're happy with the result, tap Share to send it to others, or choose Export to download your presentation as a PDF or PowerPoint if those export options are available with your account. That's it! You've successfully created an AI presentation using Gamma AI on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech guides.